The Huawei Watch Buds is one of the most unique gadgets on the market. Now take a look features and specifications. There will be AMOLED touchscreen display with 1.43 inches screen size. The Watch Buds 2 will be bullet style and incredibly lightweight. You will get the full suite of Huawei health tech, heart rate, SpO2, sleep tracking, and over 80 workout modes. It will be include active noise cancellation. The watch will be last about 3 days on a full charge, and the buds give you about 3 to 4 hours of a playback. This will be big one. It will be the ultimate convenience tool for commuters and gym goers. This watch will offer the faster relief for the annoying movement. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.